Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we've got some work to do today. We got some logs on the log deck to get done and a trailer to fill up. So we're going to do that. This will be for 2025. You can see what I have here. I have two U-line conveyors. You're going to be able to see more as we go, that are 20 feet long. So that's a 20-foot stem on there, a little longer. And then I have a 10-foot U-line conveyor going down on an angle to the super split. So you'll see how it works. It works good. We're gonna get everything fired up. We haven't done any of that yet. And hopefully everything is in working condition. One thing I didn't, we're at 20 inches. So everything's faded. All right, come on, 441. This is a 441 by chance, so you know. So as the logs roll down, they'll stack up on this. When this gets full, I'll come down and split and throw them into the trailer. I've got a cup of garlic soup here. Oh, my wife makes great garlic soup. If you're not familiar with garlic soup, it's a whole head of garlic and about 4 cups of water or chicken broth, or, well, ours is chicken broth, and a few other seasonings. It's extremely strong, but it's great for colds. You know, I had that illness. I got a little sinus infection now, but I got some aches and pains. This stuff does good. So like I said, not a clove of garlic, a whole head. So what's that, 20, 30 cloves? I'm still working with these Buffalo Moto gloves. They're holding up well. What I did notice is I get a lot of chips though in them. But, give me a little problem because I got to lift it. So this got, let's push that. Let's go. We're almost. As you can see, we don't have much farther left to do. We use this hook, go all the way down, just get it right there for now. Kinetic splitter, here we go. If you've never seen one, watch it go. They're fast. right, guys, that is my Hillbilly wood processor. Hopefully you like it. And if you don't like it, oh well. I would like to have like an Evo or an Easton or even a Wolfridge wood splitter. You struggle a little bit with the super split with the taller logs, but that thing's fast. You notice how fast it is. 2.5 to 3 seconds, two 95-pound flywheels. I'm a big fan of this kinetic splitter. It just sips the fuel. It's got that Honda motor on it. There's a lot of people making knockoffs on it. China makes a bunch of knockoffs. Max, a few others make them. And but this is the original, the super split. I think the patent came out in like 71, 72. But this is all oak. This will be next year's wood. And we'll get this in the shed tonight or tomorrow. My back is really sore. My back and my left leg and hip. That sciatica is getting me. So I don't think I'm going to unload it tonight. I think I'll do it tomorrow. So hopefully, guys, you like the content. The 461 or the 441 ran good. Super split ran good. The winch, I had to take apart the switch. I left it out over winter and it corroded. So I took apart the switch. One button works just as normal, and now the other one works. You got to push a little extra harder. I think I need to take it apart and get the corrosion out of it. Garlic soup kicked in. I'm feeling good with that. So let's get this thing broken down, everything in, get the chainsaw sharpened up, fueled up, topped off, and we'll come back out here tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time out here.